Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to install this ebook into your cell phone. First, download a file from these sites. I'm using Dropbox to store all my ebooks. So once you click this download link here, the Dropbox site might ask you to sign up to download the file. So sign up by clicking this link I provided. Signing up would only take you about 20 seconds. By the way, the ebooks I'm talking here is in jar file format. Jar file are specially designed for Symbian cell phones. Okay, so once you've got the ebook file you want to install into your cell phone, from your computer, copy the ebook file into your cell phone. I suggest to use one of the folders in your micro SD card. In my case, I am copying the ebook Early Writings of Ellen G. White into my Nokia E5. Okay, so once you've done that, browse the file. You can go to your file. Okay, in my case, I put the file into class schedule. Okay, and then click the file to install. Okay, then click yes. Then continue. Then install it in your memory card. Okay, then click start. Okay, once you've done that, you can then go to your application, then to installation. Here we go. Click it to read. Okay, so if you want to see all the chapters, you can go to the option and then click chapter. Okay, if you want to read chapter 2, you can click chapter 2. Okay, then read chapter 2. Then you can go to the next chapter, chapter 3. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and God bless.